This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Slenderbot, the killer sponge, that almost destroyed the whole world, is back, and he is sending 10 missiles to 10 states. These states include Alabama, Texas, Ohio, Florida, New Mexico, Oklahoma, California, Washington, New York City, and New Jersey. If you live anywhere in these states, evacuate to a different state. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Go to the nearest shelter immediately. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The nuclear power plant exploded because of Slenderbot. Whitty is on his way to stop Slenderbot once and for all. All residents, please stay in your shelters. Do not panic. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Fanners of America, EAS issued a ghost train warning for all over the USA. This ghost train was driving by Slenderbot. All residents stay in your houses and not go on the rails or roads, as the train can go on roads too. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. Whitty destroyed the ghost train, and the fallout is cleared out of the United States. However, stay in your shelter as Slenderbot is still roaming around, killing people. We can now continue your regular programming. This message was transmitted by the request of NASA. This is not a test. 100 bombs are heading to the USA, and Slenderbot brought back Slenderball and Slendicane. All residents evacuate the USA now, as Whitty brought his two friends. His friends are Keith and Pika. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
One more minute left, the world is about the end now. I'm not ready to die. All residents in the world, be prepared for impact. This is the EAS guy, Eric, signing off for the final time. This broadcast will now cease transmission. God bless America. This is an emergency action termination. Slandy Bob, Slandy Bull, and Slandy Kane are dead forever. However, everything is the same from lots of years ago. How long were we frozen? Yeah, I don't want to know. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this scary, strange, choppy moment. Man, I don't how I feel like after 999 bajillion years.